Manufacturers are facing extraordinary challenges today. With labor shortages, supply chain disruptions, and a changing workforce, complex industrial technology doesn't cut it on the front line. What's needed is a new way of working that will not only meet throughput goals, but change the shop floor culture to one of winning, where every worker feels they play a part in achieving the company's goals for success. What's needed is Redzone, the connected workforce solution.
At Redzone, we are the champion of the frontline teams, offering a surprisingly simple, amazingly fast, remarkably powerful solution to engage, energize, and empower the frontline so our community of plants can grow their bottom line.
All around the world, hundreds of thousands of frontline teams are moving the dial with Redzone in just 90 days. A 22% uplift in productivity, a 74% improvement in frontline engagement, and a 32% reduction in frontline turnover. These transformational results are changing the game for our community of factories and the frontline teams that work within them.
The positive impact that Redzone has had is phenomenal. The ability to connect across functional units and be able to be collaborative in all of the activities that we're doing. It's resulted in us being extremely productive, seeing momentous gains in our output. That's huge. Prior to Redzone, we didn't have a teamwork culture. Now there's a level of interdependence and accountability that bring us together and allow us to work cohesively as a unit.
Redzone has helped us to make sound decisions every day. We know what's going on every minute, and that helps our employees to make the right decisions to continue winning. That drives productivity, engagement, and culture improvements to become better tomorrow.
Redzone's connected workforce solution has really ignited a transformational change in productivity among our frontline workers. Winning the day today really inspires our team to win the next day and really creates a culture of improvement and engagement among our entire team.
The Redzone software is very intuitive for the team members to use. It's great for communication, not only in the facility, but between facilities. That's been a tremendous impact for me in building my team. Implementation of the Redzone technology is fast and easy. It was actually a shock as how easy it was. And it's had a powerful impact on everyone, from our frontline to our leadership.
Redzone provides us with a voice, the tools and skills to make a difference, to win the day, every day.
Where can you go to improve productivity now? If you're looking for a champion of the frontline worker,
with surprisingly simple,
amazingly fast, and remarkably powerful tools,
so that work has purpose,
para que el trabajo tenga un propósito. Come join the Redzone community.
Redzone champions frontline teams to work with purpose and win the day.